We the best, no contest. My clique is the best. We the My mind run deep in my thoughts when I didn't have it. Sleeping on the floor, wishing it was a mattress. Now I'm in Hollywood with actors and actresses, where everybody bougie, latest trends and fashions.
What's going on, guys? Adam here from AutoCraze. These bad boys are GR. Yes, that's right. AutoCraze first. Hilux GR full build. Front bar, rear bar, lift, wheels, tires, racks, snorkel, radios, roller shutters. That works. Come through, I'll show you. As you can see on the front, again, AutoCraze first. You've seen a couple of GRs that we've done. Kept it simple, lift gear, wheels, tires. Front bar, modified, made works perfectly. First in the country. Going over to the winch, we've added a DriveTech 9,500 pound winch, RFI cellular booster, plus we've got a UHF in there as well too. Going through over to the suspension, we've gone with none other than the Radflow suspension kit with the iBark springs. Wheels and tires, we've got the Geolander GS16 Extreme All-Terrain with the Lenzo wheels on there as well too. Gone with that two-tone finish, grey and the black to match your car. Top of the roof, we've gone with the front runner rack, the Slimline Sport 2s, complemented by a steady 40-inch light bar. Now to complement the front bar, we've gone ahead and put a Hamer rebar on the back of this as well, followed by a Hamer Hector Series sports bar with the reverse lights on there. HSP roller shutter, MSA drawer, full 1300, single drawer so I can put the fridge on this side. And they've also done full red arc dual battery system, battery, charger, MSA switch panel on the front. Now this car belongs to James. How this started was James called me. Actually no, take it back further than that. James sent through an email inquiry asking 1, 2, 3, we've got a GR coming soon, what can you do to it? At that point in time, honestly, there was a big question mark because GRs first came out, we had no idea whether they were the same as the old Hiluxes, same as the Rogues, no clue. So you know what we did? We winged it. Honestly, called James up that night. I said, I'll be in touch tomorrow. 2 or 3 days later, James came into the shop. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back and forth. Got all the accessories that he wanted on there, and it's done. Also, we can't forget about the finishing touch. Long entry, AutoCraze, stainless steel snorkel, powder coated in the black. Now this is going to be James's tow vehicle, so he's going to tow his caravan out with this and use this for day trips. So that's exactly what the car's set up for. James, very keen for your reaction, buddy. We'll see you soon.
Whatever come my way, this was meant for me. Trying to share my story, this is history. Now it's not a mystery. Stop without a hating, dog, man, this is meant for me. Whatever come my way, this was meant for me. Trying to share my story, this is history. Now it's not a mystery. Stop without a hating, dog, man, this is meant for me.
How's it going, guys? You probably haven't subscribed, commented, or liked yet, so let's make a deal. If you could hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and like this video, we at AutoCraze will continue to produce the highest quality content you've ever seen. It will allow us to expand our ideas and production. We will know that we are creating quality content and that it's hitting the spot for you. Please take a moment to do so. We appreciate it. Back to the video.
I'ma let bygones be bygones. I'ma keep rapping till I turn into an icon. Back against the ropes, kept swinging like Tyson. Back in the booth, now I'm snapping as a python. Had to rise up to the horizon. Use my words to connect, no Verizon. Speak the truth, I'ma show you chase your dreams. I'm living proof, not the industry type, but I'ma grind from the roots. Ooh, see my family struggle from the start. I'm gonna change the trajectory. Put some respect to me. Plant the seeds daily, foundation, that's the recipe. If you walked in my shoes, then you knew this meant for me.
All right, guys, so the owner of the Hilux GR, James, is here with me now. James?
Yeah, look, we're excited. I'm absolutely really excited to see what this thing's going to come out like. You know, it's a work in progress from my old Hilux, and see what generation changes we get to.
1, 2, 3, go.
My goodness, that's amazing. Look at that. Yeah, well. My goodness, doesn't that look mean? Wow, now I know what you were saying. Gosh.
It's been what, a week with us?
Yeah. It's a week worth it though.
Week worth it.
This thing's going to get off-road, going up onto the top of mountains for radio site rebuilds with a lot of the government services. But I couldn't have wished for something even better. It's just, I'm still blown away. It looks fantastic.
Now, how did you find this? How did AutoCraze come about in all this? Because I explained how we started the
Yep.
conversation, but
Yeah, so
how did
look,
this come about?
I actually just hit Google. Every time I went to a review, it was amazing that positive. Everything was positive on the reviews for AutoCraze. So it was making that phone call, and I couldn't believe that I sent you a message, and then it was like 9 o'clock at night or something, and you responded straight away. I go, well, these guys are actually interested in what I want to do.
Of course. As I mentioned to you guys, I didn't mention the 9 o'clock part, but yes, it was about 9 p.m. when I messaged James, and then that's where this all started from.
Yeah.
So, James,
And it was sort of, I wasn't sure what I wanted, so I just kept asking you questions on the SMS, and you're coming back, have a look at this link, and it just went from there, and we grew to what we've got here today.
what we've got today.
I'm extremely happy, and the amount of work that AutoCraze put in, I'm truly impressed. It's fantastic. It's a great job.
Any day, any time of the week, we're always here to take anybody's inquiry. Like James said, it was, even for us, this was a big challenge. Being a vehicle that no one's ever worked on.
Yeah, trying to find componentry that fitted because it was so new.
It was so new, and that's the thing. And I think for us as well too, we try to go out of our way to try and make it work for the customer as well too. Customers always come in with a vision. We always like to kind of help the customer, not make his vision better. So and that's what we've come up with today. So, no, James, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Mate. Thank you.
No worries, guys.
And thanks to your team.
Give us a call, 1-800-099-634, or just shoot us through an email, and we're happy to take your inquiries at any time of the day.